BookFlipper AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called BookFlipper AI. So right now we are on the sales page. Then we have the login access of the software where I can show you the books we have created or will create it for you live. So make sure you watch the video till the end if you want to know how this software works and how do you come to the sales page. For that you will find a link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab a BookFlipper AI copy here somewhere. Click on that link, then come to the sales page where it says was first book empire builder that finds profitable niches and topics and writes the book, designs the cover, publishes them to Amazon KDP, all in under 10 minutes, making early users an average of this much per day, blah blah blah. So yes, I'll show you how to create the book in this dashboard. And if you want the bonuses, then make sure you watch the video till the end because I do not discuss the bonuses in the beginning. So you have to watch this video till the end. And also if you want to know how do I make my real money online, so keep watching the video till the end. Now let me see if we have some question answers on the sales page at the bottom, and after that we can go into the dashboard directly. So what does it say? How is BookFlipper AI different from other tools? It just helps you build some business. Do I need any writing experience? No. Do I need to show my face? Of course not. Why would you show your face in writing a book? Do I need an Amazon KDP account? Yes, you do. So how much can I make? Depends on your work. No guarantees. Is this a subscription? No. What if I'm not techie? That's fine. Is there a guarantee? 30 days, I guess. Yes. So we are done with the sales page, okay? And let's get done with the OTOs as well quickly so that in the end I'll create a book for you. By the way, you can see my bonus URL is linked with the sales page. So when you go and buy this from me, you will get the bonuses automatically delivered. And what the bonuses are, for that you have to watch the video till the end. So these are the pricings. Front end will cost you 17, but I think you will get massive discount in the beginning. So you should be able to get this between 10 to $15, okay? There might be some coupon codes as well on the sales page when it goes live. Then you have OTO 1, which is unlimited books for $97. And then you have OTO 2, which is something pro. And OTO 3 is cover design. So it gives you covers. OTO 4 is some domination packs. You can see there are 10 OTOs. Okay, you can pick and choose. In the front end, obviously, you will not get everything. So you have to upgrade to at least unlimited OTO 1. Okay. Anyways, let's get to the business here. So we have the dashboard, as you can see right here. These are some sample books which are sold on Amazon, as you can see. And then we have book generators. So I'll show you how to generate the book in a moment. Then we have my books, which I had generated. This is what I generated 5 minutes ago. As you can see, you can go to opportunity finder here and search any category or Amazon category and what kind of books you want to create. So you can click on scan opportunities here, and you have some sample here as well. So the point being is that you need low competition with what do you say, it's with decent traffic volume, okay? So it should not be difficult to rank. At the same time, it should have decent traffic, people searching for it, okay? So you will have these scores. Based on these scores, you can go and choose the niche. Then you have competition analyzer, okay? So here you can analyze. Don't launch something in which you have no chance to rank anywhere, okay? Then you have Kindle prep. What is that? You have some steps you have to cover before you go live, okay? So you have to go and read everything, create your account, and then publish. So they have categorized in 5 steps. You have to perform those 5 steps before you go live. And then we have something unlimited. Let's see, that's server error. So I have to go back, I guess, if I can somehow. Let me refresh. We're back. So let's click on niche vault. And what was that? Niche vault doesn't really work here. Cover design doesn't work. So let me show you the book generator. If that works, it does. So let's choose the category for my book. So you can choose one of these categories. Let's say I will go with in this example, how to train your dog. Okay, so book title is how to train your puppy, right? So author name is TubeCore. Just Pube. Okay, I'll leave it as it is. And how to train your puppy, full professional training guide. Okay. You can take a time, you can write anything in this prompt to make it more, you know. And in this chapters, I will just choose maybe 8 chapters because this will take less time. If I choose, let's say, maximum 20 chapters, it will take me more time to create the book, so it will take long, long duration. Okay, so I don't wanna waste your time and my time, so I'll choose the minimum. I'll click on generate and it's doing something now. Let's hope that this gets generated very quickly. And it's formatting for KDP, so let's see what happens. Do I have to talk about anything else in the in the meantime? I don't think so. So its only thing is left is bonuses and how to make money online, so you will get to know about them in the next part of the video. In next 2 minutes, I guess we'll talk about the bonuses and everything, so stay tuned. AI is creating your book. I have chosen the minimum chapters 8, so it's taking, you can see how much it will normally take. Okay, hopefully it's gonna be done. And let's see, anything else do we have here to talk about? I don't think so. Don't think so, mate. Okay, so are we done? Okay, let's come back to the dashboard. Still creating. I am not going to stop the video and come back later, so whatever is happening live. If we are going to get some error message, you will see that live. By the way, in the meantime, I can show you maybe I can show you the book which I created earlier. Okay, I can show you that. So if I go back and I click on my books, so this is the one I created before I started the video. So this is was how to gain weight. So how to gain weight, as you can see. And then we have some chapters, as you can see. Most important meal is mindset, this and that. So you can see, this does give you something. It gives you PDF content book, which you can probably publish somewhere, okay? And hypothetically, theoretically, you can make money. So it gives you enough content. I created this, I guess, with 20 chapters. Yes, it should have 20 chapters, maybe 15. I don't know. Let's see. 17. So yeah, it did give us 17 chapters. Okay. So when you choose 20, it will just try to give you maximum. I got 17. Okay. So let's see if my book is created or not here. Generation failed. Let's see, try again. But I think, hang on, let me refresh. If I go back to my books, it should be there. It is there, you see. So it might give you error, but eventually the book will be already there. So before you click on try again, just go back to my books and check if the book is already generated or not. Okay, so let's see how to train your puppy. And I have clicked on view, so we get a PDF file, and then we have a puppy image. That's cool. And then it says how to train. Obviously you will have some typo, you can always change this. How to train your dog puppy, how to train your puppy by Tube. That's me, that's author name. You remember I typed in Tube in place of author name, so you can type in your author name here. And then this is your professional guide. So we have got the content now, and I have chosen to write 8 chapters. So let's see if we have 8 chapters or not. Let's see. We got 8 chapters. Okay, there you go. So we got it. Maybe more. We have chosen 8 chapters, but eventually we got 15. Okay, so I guess you just have to play around with it, and it gives you basic ebooks. What else you want? Okay, so now you have seen everything. I have created 2 books for this demo purpose. You have seen one live book for this train my puppy, and the other one was for how to gain weight. I guess we are done. So if you want this, go and buy this using my link below. And even if you don't want this, but if you want my bonuses only, then still you have to go and buy this from my link. So now if you want to know what my bonuses are, how to make money online, then watch the video till the end. Alrighty, humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab kiss hacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately, okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay. Anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.